Hello everybody, welcome to Gigi and Pawpaw's Kitchen.
Hi kids. Today we are going to be doing just a very fun, simple dinner. And I have a 1.5 pound pork loin, not marinated, so I just took it out of the package, took the silver skin off. It's been marinating in some Sweet Baby Ray's for about 15 minutes. I have a thing of sauteed corn and butter in the microwave. And we have some smashed potatoes, as our beautiful granddaughter likes to call them.
Yep.
Bowling, and we're going to just have a very simple dinner.
A barbecue potato and corn.
That's right. Doesn't get any better.
Don't get no better than that now.
This is going to go in the air fryer. We're going to try this for the first time.
Yep.
And we're going to do it at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And we'll show you what it looks like.
We'll see what it looks like, absolutely. We hope everyone's having a wonderful, blessed day.
Yes, sir.
Thank you again for watching our videos. Please subscribe and like. It helps us tremendously.
Okay, this is what it looks like at 7 minutes. I'm going to give it another probably 5 minutes, and then we'll flip it.
Yep.
Starting to look yummy.
Sir.
All right, it's been
3 or 4 more minutes, she's flipping it again.
Flip it again.
We just don't want her to get tough on us.
No, we don't want it to get dry.
Absolutely.
It's been there. Excuse me.
Alrighty, after the potatoes got done, Gigi drained them. Put 1 whole stick of butter. Put some pepper in there.
And a little bit of salt.
And a little salt. And you can also add sour cream if you'd like. You can add cream cheese, however you like your mashed potatoes.
Yes, so we're going to go very basic tonight.
Absolutely.
Okay, Papa helped me get these broke down. And I also added a 1/2 cup of just regular milk.
And you can use heavy cream, regular milk, whatever you want. You don't even have to use any milk if you don't want to. Just depends how you like your mashed potatoes.
Yummy, yummy.
Delicious. Alright, after 15 minutes on 400 degrees,
They smell good.
they do smell delicious. Gigi's fixing to baste them real good with some Sweet Baby Ray's. And we're going to go from there.
Squirt, do you?
Absolutely. Baste them up real good, and we're going to give them a few more minutes.
Yes, sir. About another 5 or 6 more minutes. I think we'll be ready to eat.
Eat supper.
Yummy, yummy.
Wish I was here. We'd give you a plate. Sure.
This size pork tenderloin is perfect for us.
It sure is. It's beautiful.
Okay.
We'll give it another 5 minutes. There's our homemade mashed potatoes, y'all. Sure look good. Gigi's done taste them. They're delicious.
They're yummy.
Alrighty, y'all.
Look at this, Papa.
After 22 to 23 minutes at 400 degrees on the Instant Fryer, whatever it's called, air fryer, flipping it halfway.
And I also did cut ours up.
It looks delicious, I'll tell you, and smells wonderful. Would y'all look at that right there?
So,
Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that right there. It ain't no Texas barbecue, but it's your barbecue for supper. Oh man, it looks delicious.
it smells really good.
Ladies, gentlemen, children of all ages, here's dinner. It's pretty fast. It's economical. I know it's fixing to be delicious. Again, we thank each and every one of you for watching our videos. Your support means everything to us. And we'll see you next time.
Bye, kids. Thank you.